All right, let's go to the next one. Shapewear is unhealthy and can cause organ damage. I don't think shapewear can do that. I've never come across anyone that has mentioned that. I've come across someone mention that when they wore corsets. Corsets are definitely different because they have metal boning inside of the corsets, and when you tie it in the back or the sides or whichever one you have, that can cut into your skin and as well as the tightness when someone is tying it. I've heard someone say that like face to face, not just hearing it hearsay, but shapewear, I more so hear about the problem of it just cutting into their skin because it's too tight or it's rolling down. But I've never heard about organs. I've heard about causing health problems when it comes to corsets. So maybe there is someone out there that can explain that, but for me, I've never come across anyone. I've definitely come across my little mature lady. Hey girl, I see you. She used to wear corsets and she has horror stories. So